Hey loves, I'm Naturally Curler and welcome back to my channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I got this bomb flat twist and curl using one product. And that one product today is Moe's Nose Hair Curl Smoothing Pudding. And I have some water in a spray bottle. And then I'm going to use Cantu's Edge Control because I didn't show it on camera. But I'm going to use Cantu's Edge Control to secure my ends and just to lay my edges. So if you're interested to see how I got this look, keep watching and let's get this video started. So first thing, I'm going to part my hair in two sections and then I'm going to part it down in smaller sections. That way I can do my flat twist. Again, the product I'm going to be using is Moe's Nose Hair Curl Smoothing Pudding. This product is a water-based product. I love a good water-based product that gives me a light hold. I'm starting on an old blown out hair. This is the same hair from my previous video last week, so it's going on 2 weeks and I haven't washed my hair. I'll be washing my hair tomorrow though. But I'm just starting on old hair. Old hair is always the best for me with flat twists like this. For some, it's just something about it. It has a little bit more texture to it because I have fine hair. Blown out hair allows me to get length as well as definition. And which with wet hair, you can do this on wet hair if you don't mind the shrinkage. I personally don't like how it looks when my hair shrinks up because I can't pick my hair to get to the volume that I want, because when I do styles on wet hair, it's my hair tends to be a lot more stiffer. So I prefer to do flat twist or twist outs on when I want a loose kind of wavy kind of look, flat twist on blown out or stretched hair. I just didn't have the opportunity to stretch my hair, but I will be doing a stretched flat twist very soon. Since someone asked me how do I take care of my hair throughout the week, I'll record a video of that. So pretty much, again, the product is very lightweight, but it does give you that nice hold. I like using water-based products or gel whenever I'm doing a twist out, because between water-based products and gels, it gives me more of, and what I mean by water-based is that the first ingredient is water, and it has like a creamy kind of watery kind of texture. It's not that thick. Those tend to give me the best twist outs. It tends to fluff up my hair in the way that I would see like women with 4C textured hair kind of fluffs up. Even though I would never get that type of definition, it still allows me to get that kind of fluff up that I need. So my hair will have that fluffy looking definition. And the reason why I am flat twisting my hair like this is because when I sleep at night, my hair tends to go flat when I do twist outs. So that's why a lot of times I like to set my twist outs under a dryer, because that way again I'll keep the puff and the definition. When I sleep on my hair and my hair just flattens out, I don't keep the definition. So for some reason it just kind of just looks janky by the morning. So doing it this way allows me to keep the twist, keep the definition, and allow me to sleep. That way the whole style comes out right the next day. Now, when it comes to flat twisting, it's something that you just have to get your hands together and keep doing until you're comfortable. So I don't, it's a hard thing to kind of explain. I just kind of start with two pieces off to the side, two pieces off, and then I just twist and add hair as I go down. I twist and then I add hair to the bottom part of my hair. I know that probably doesn't make sense, but again, I have a more detailed flat twist video on here. It's just older, but something that's more in depth. I just figured at this point there's so many flat twist videos. Even I have one that, kind of break down and explain how it goes. But for me, learning how to flat twist really just took me to continue to practice and get my hands comfortable doing the technique. It's something that if you can either, and it took me a minute to remind myself how to do this. Like, it took me about 7 times on one before I got comfortable, because I had to do some practice runs before I went and recorded, because I forgot how to do flat twist. I was like, am I tripping? Did I really forget how to do this? But it's pretty much just adding hair to the bottom part. You twist, add hair to the bottom part, twist, add hair to the bottom part, twist, add hair to the bottom part, twist, and then secure it, twist down, and then you use a perm rod. And again, a white perm rods, pink perm rods, blue perm rods all give you different types of curls by how tight the curls are. I wanted a bit of a looser curl, that way when I picked my hair out, I didn't lose too much. And to secure my ends, I'm using edge control, because if I don't, my hair would just unravel. So I always use edge control to secure the ends of my hair. Again, I absolutely love this curl pudding. I knew from the first time I tried it in my first Mo's No Hair video that this product was going to give me a bomb twist out. It's something about the feel of it, and how creamy it is. Like, sometimes you buy a product and you just know, yeah, this is the kind of ingredients, this is the kind of feel formula that I like on my hair, and I know my hair works well with these types of formulas. So, and the fact that I didn't need any gel, I only needed one product, because normally I have to use a cream, and that cream adds that extra moisture, because gels can sometimes be drying for my hair. Even though they work really well with stylings, they can tend to dry my hair out. So I always normally have to add a cream. This product gave me both hold and cream. Now, did my hair last the next day? No. It is raining in Georgia. My hair did not last. And again, it is very hard for me to get 2-day hairstyle. So when I do get it, I'm happy. But because it's been rainy and kind of windy down here, like, it was just a total, like, yeah, my hair was like, yeah, you tried it, girl. You tried. You tried. But yeah, so that's really it. And I'll let you watch the rest of the video. So I'm just going to slowly unravel my hair. It's just sped up so it doesn't look like I'm moving slowly, but I am, because I want to make sure I'm keeping my curls and I'm not messing up the definition of my hair. The back part of my hair is, the flat twists are a lot bigger because I can't really see my hair. So they are a lot bigger, but if you're able to do them in smaller, like how the front is, then you would get more definition in the back versus using bigger flat twists in the back. But for me, the back is never really a big deal. It's just more important for me to have the front, because when people first see you, they see the front part of your hair. Now I'm just shaking out the roots of my hair. That way when I pick my hair, it's not so stiff and I don't rip out no good hair, and it's easy to move so I can get the hold. Now I'm just going to pull apart the bigger pieces. Mainly the back is what I really needed to pull apart versus the front. The front was pretty much defined, and because the sections were smaller in the front for the flat twist, the definition is better. Now, if you do the part smaller in the back, you will get better definition, of course, But again, for me, I couldn't see it. I'm using a longer metal pick because if you're new to my channel, then a longer metal pick allows you to get definition. Keep some of your definition while you're picking out your hair. It doesn't pick out all your curls. And I just like the way it it has my hair looking. So I'm just showing you how the back look once I pick it out. That's the side part. I'm just picking it through. I do carry a pick with me throughout the day because as the day goes on, my hair starts to deflate. So I just keep my metal pick on handy. And I pick to what I like. You don't have to overpick. I tend to overpick my hair to get to volume. Even after this, I picked the mess out my hair. Like once I was done recording, because I know some people get heart attacks because I tend to overpick. Overpicking does not bother me at all. I love volume. I don't mind frizz. I don't care about none of that. I like big hair because my face is long. Big hair just gives me like more of a shape. So that's just my preference. But for you, do whatever you like. You don't have to follow me to the T. So I'm going to use Cantu Edge Control on my edges. And I'm just using the edge control brush. You can get this anywhere, the beauty supply store, Amazon. They usually run for like $1 and some change at the beauty supply store. But I noticed lately they've been hiking up the price on the edge control. You see how they do? Like this thing probably used to be like 99 cents and now it's like $1. There's some that are $2, $3, $4, $5. I'm like, for an edge control brush, y'all got some nerve. But anyway, this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in my next one. Thanks again. Bye.